Welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this my channel, if you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting 4 different types of playlist: trading topics, zero the features, also hedging options, features and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also a lot of strategies with the Sensibull paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Let's jump into the topic.
Today we will see how exactly we should check the fundamentals of the company. Basically, if you wanted to invest in a stock for a long term or mid term, or any 1 week or 1 month, then at least you need to check for fundamentals. Blindly, we should not invest in a stock. This is not a stock suggestion ultimately, but I wanted to show you that where exactly we can check the fundamentals of the company. In Zerodha, there is a fine feature is there, that is a Tijori, okay, Tijori.com. It's free for you guys if you have a Zerodha account, okay. So let's jump into the fundamentals. So you can see on my left there is a watch list. I'm having a lot of stock here, right? So for an example, take any stock here. For an example, I'm taking Sagility here. If you click on three dot button, there is a fundamentals section is there. This drop down fundamentals, this is the main page uh, of the fundamental page of the stock, we can say that, okay. If you wanted to go for detailed page, then there is a view more option is there. For the basic check, you here only you can check what is the stock price is going, what are the details of the stock, okay, what is the PE ratio, sector PE, and PB ratio, what is the 52-week range, whether it is low or high, you can check it out, and what is the returns for 1 year, 3 years, okay, 5 years. Currently, maybe this stock is recently listed. That's the reason it's not showing uh, any returns here. Okay, I'll choose another stock. Maybe we'll go for persistent. Yeah, you can see for 1 year it has given 3.57 returns, and for 3 years it is through 247 percentage of return. Okay, so this is the details of this is a software company, right? Basically persistent, whether it's a mid cap, what is the market cap, you can see it here, and also you can get real-time AI alerts as well. You can connect with the WhatsApp here, okay. And one more switch, if you wanted to check the revenue, you can come here and check the revenue details as well. Latest is it is a service-based company and alliance is 22 and 77. Okay, you want to check for the location, okay. This company mainly operation in North America, India, Europe. Okay, these details you can find, and also financial details. The main thing you need to check it, PE ratio, PB ratio. Also, the financial details, global presence. Also, you can check it here, and the shareholding pattern. What is the shareholding pattern? You can check it here. Okay, FI details. There is currently they have reduced the uh, uh, FIs are reduced their presence in persistent, we can say, okay, because this is a software company, right? There is a some trade conflicts are going between India and the US. That's the reason maybe they are taking out money, and DAs are just dumping the money into Indian stocks. Okay, so you can check here. Mainly, basically, you need to check FIDA data and also promoter data as well. You need to check it. Okay, this is the main just quick check. Actually, we can check it, and if you have any events, you can come here and you can check it. If you want to go for a news, presently, India persistent system slumps on margin miss, brokerage flag macro headwinds. Okay, this kind of news it will list out here. And if you have any corporate action, if persistent is having any corporate action, then it will list out here. You can see that there is a dividend announced by the persistent. You can see it here. Okay, and also ideas. These are the some mm, equity gold and some other commodities. You can say this. You can ignore it. Okay. Now I'll be switching to the Tijori, the detailed fundamental analysis. We can do it here, and also you can compare it here. One more thing, Nifty. Persistent graph or chart we can compare against Nifty. This is a mid cap. Okay. Okay, you can consider it just for information. I'll click on view more information here. Click on the view more information. Now it is redirected you to the tijorifinance.com website. Okay, this is one of the fine website and where we can get all the details. Okay, these details are genuine also. The lot of things they have implemented here. It is just like a screener.com. Okay, I will show you. Screener of persistent. Okay, so here also you can directly come and check the fundamentals of the company here. What is it? This is also like a detailed very good website. You can check it here and you can see here 1 year, 3 year, and also P ratio. You can compare it here. This is very good, and also peer comparison or comparison also you can do it. Okay, and quarterly results, profit and loss, balance sheet also you need to check it, cash flow, ratios, okay, shareholding pattern, FISDS data, it will be detailed out here. Okay, you can come and click on this one. You can see these are the FIS, foreign investors are available for this persistent system. Okay, government of Singapore also invested in this stock, and DAS means our mutual fund, right? So these are the mutual fund they have invested in this stock. You can see SDFC, there are a lot of big mutual fund houses are invested in this stock. Okay, and also promoters details you can get it here. Similarly, the kind of corporate data we can find it out here. Each section. This is the overview section. You can see again the PE ratio, PB ratio, everything you can check it. The graph comparison also you can check it out. So custom financial statements. So this one of the good thing in Tijori that a lot of the market big hands are the suggestion who are giving a suggestion. They are suggesting whether to pick the stock or whether to not to pick the stock. These details you can get it. Okay, this is considerably very fundamentally very good company. We can say 4 and 6. They have given 9. They have given a positive reviews for this one. Okay, and revenue mix details, everything. There are a lot of details are available. You can come and check out here. Okay, and next section we'll go for the financial. Okay, you can directly click on this button again. We have scroll down, so similarly it will take you directly. Okay, then financial details, you can check the financial details as well here. Okay, and what is the FISDS data, we can check it. Benchmarking, some of the benchmarking projects or pipeline projects also they have given. This is kind of for dashboards and reports, very useful. You can check it out. Most of them will be not having that much time to invest or to study all these things, but who are having time, maybe they can go through in detail. But the main section is forensics. You can check it, PUPB ratio and shareholding pattern. So FI's data, it is 24% here, promoter 30%, and DA data, it is a 0.6% only currently. Okay, DS are scaling because for this trade conflict between India and the US. So, so this is very fine website. You can check it out before investing any stock. Okay, and also we have Money control also. Money control. I will give persistent. Money control also gives very fine view about fundamentals of the stock, but it is loaded with a lot of ads. That's the reason it's a bit slow, but you can also consider the genuine data here as well. So these are the website. See, you can see now it is a bit slow. Okay, hopefully you got some good idea about persistent, and this is not a stock suggestion, but the fund, how to check the fundamentals of the company. Thank you. Also, in the screener, very good option is there. You can check it out here. One more thing, if you come here, product screeners, you can check the stocks. Okay, leave. You can see here directly. By default, it is US stocks that it is showing. You can switch to India. This is a TradingView website. Okay, here also they will give a lot of information about the stock. Uh, you can see the reliance, the change in volume, uh, okay, the percentage of change, all these details, market cap, what is the market cap, PE, all these details you can also get it here, and they are the similar to forensics, right? What I showed you in the Tijori, they are also suggesting the stocks here. Okay, you can take some decision by checking the fundamentals of the company. You can see buy option, but a strong buy is there for NTPC Limited. Okay, but usually people don't consider this website for taking input based on their uh, fundamental analysis only. They will be taking a decision. So thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.